Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Sangat Kaude. I am third year CSE department. Now I am presenting my UAE project. So this is a virtual simulation of that, and we include in that like Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, light, and servo motor also. So what is the introduction of that project? In drone delivery system, if the package is dropped from a wrong altitude, it damages goods even cause of accident. To solve this, I created a system to detect correct drop and a height to alert operator before releasing the payload. And what component used in that? So we look here is a ultrasonic sensor and that is Uno Arduino and here is servo motor. Servo motor has a use in a, like a robotics arm, and this is a buzzer and this is a light and this is a register. What is working principle of that? What the role of that? And how to with mathematics and with physics using that? So we'll look if the ultrasonic sensor continuously measures the distance between UAV and the ground. The Arduino processes the data. If the drone is at a correct height, the LED glow and buzzer pop up. If height is wrong, the warning to beep given. The correct height, the sensor motor can be also trigger the payload and release. So we look a demo of that. So for a demo, we start simulation. We have started the simulation, and here is my detection. The distance between look. If the distance between 75.9 centimeters, we detect the suitable distance between UAV and ground, and the pop-up and servo motor going at 90. So what is the future scope of that? The future scope is improved by adding a GPS in a location based on drop, IoT for logging flight data, and AI decision making. It can also be scaled up for a larger delivery drone. So guys, the explanation of the code, we use the code for in that. First we create library of that code. There is a constant int ping and LED pin and buzzer pin, the number of pin which will be connected by Uno Arduino, and the signal pin number is there is that, and we create a word setup. In that setup, we configure the LED and the buzzer pins and output to start a serial monitor for debugging and attach the servo motor. Initially, the servo motor set position 0, meaning payload is locked. From start the locked position of servo motor, and we created loop while loop for beyond direction and centimeter. In that loop, inside the loop, we first send the short trigger pulse to the ultrasonic sensor. The sensor sends the echo back, and the Arduino calculate distance using a pulse duration. This value is printed on the serial motor. Here is the code of that, and the duration, and condition for payload work in if loop and if and else there. In if loop, if and else there. In if loop, the distance between 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter. The LED turns on, and the buzzer dips twice, and the servo motor moves at a 90 degree. There is a servo motor which motor at a 90 degree. After the delay, servo motor reset back. After the delay in else condition, after the delay, servo motor comes back at a lock position. In else condition, if a drone in on a wrong height, the LED start off and buzzer remains silent, and the servo is locked, meaning no loop will be happen. In short, the code is ensured that fuel is only drop when a correct altitude, making drop delivery safer and more reliable. So again, we try to simulate of the demo of that project. So start simulation. Look, if there is a distance between 50 centimeter, like at 84 centimeter, we look the pop-up of buzzer and you sound like tick tick, and servo motor also rotate at a 90 degree, and reset come back in that. So thank you guys.